Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for a free printer upgrade, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to change the drum and reset the drum counter on a Brother HL-2270 printer. So it's a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to do is open the front access door. After opening that front access door, you're going to remove the toner and drum. They kind of come out together. You're going to lift up, pull those out. Now we need to separate the toner from the drum, so you're going to push down on the little green tab on the side and then lift out your toner. We'll set the old drum off to the side. Now we're going to open up our new Brothers drum from Onyx. Now inside of every Onyx drum, you will get written instructions on how to replace that drum. Okay, so now we're going to reinstall our toner into the brand new drum. You just slip it in, you'll feel it click into place. Once you install the toner into the drum, there's a green tab at the top of the drum. You want to grab that green tab and you're going to slide it back and forth about 2 or 3 times, making sure that you end in the same place that it starts with. You'll see 2 little arrows that point at each other and you want to make sure that's where it's at. Once you've done that, you're going to place the toner and drum back into the printer, feel it click into place. We're going to leave the door open, and then you're going to press and hold the go button for about 4 seconds. You'll see all the LEDs on the side of the printer light up. Once all of them are lit up, you can let go. Close the front of the printer, and just like that, you're back up and printing.